You might be wondering, are iPhones actually better for older users? My mom has had 2 phones in the same amount of time that I've had over a dozen. And that's true for a lot of people from her generation. They simply stick with technology longer because they're not excited by the latest trend or new tech feature. That being said, one of the major reasons why iPhones are better for older generations is because they offer support for a lot longer than other major brands, meaning that you get updates and tech support for a lot longer than other major brands. They also seem to be built with more longevity in mind. For example, my uncle still has an iPhone 6, and yes, the battery does die fairly fast now, but it still works and there are no major issues. I've personally never seen an Android phone from that generation that still works. Another advantage is the iPhone iOS user interface does not change a ton between phone models. That's one reason iPhones are known for their simplicity. They do change, but at a much slower pace than Android, which allows iPhone users to quickly adapt to the new version of iOS. But one of the biggest advantages is the Apple storefront. From my conversations with people from their 50s to 70s, one of the most annoying things is having to deal with online chatbots and over-the-phone support. But the great advantage about Apple is if you have a problem with your iPhone or need help with something, you can simply find the nearest Apple store to you and walk into the store, ask a real person, and they'll help you out. I'll probably get some hate for this, but sorry not sorry, iPhone batteries simply hold a charge longer. So if you forget to plug in your phone at night, you'll probably still have battery the next day, especially if you aren't taking a bunch of photos, video, or playing games on your phone. If you found this video helpful and want to know more about tech, subscribe.